Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing well, and thanks for tuning in to Moose Motion. This is episode 10 of the Clay Car Ae86 build. Now, I did say I would try and finish it, and I tried my damnedest, viewers. I did, but sadly, I wasn't able to finish it due to the amount of small parts that I had to make, which some of them were so small, unfortunately, I wasn't even able to catch footage of them on camera, because, well, at that point, you would just see hands and not really what I was actually building, which kind of defeats the purpose of the video. Anyway, let's dive into this and I'll show you what we have in store for this episode. This episode will be sculpting some of the smaller details on the body kits, giving them some added personality, as well as the headlights, which was unfortunately the only really small part that caught well on camera. If you have not caught up with the rest of the series, I suggest you go check them out in the post description below. Now, I will try to have this car finished this Saturday. I usually post on Friday, but for my own sanity's sake, I will try to get it done on Saturday to give myself a little bit more time for editing and all that jazz. As always, be sure to smash that like button if you enjoyed the episode, subscribe if you're new, and leave a comment in the comment section below. That has been a little lacking lately, so come on, dear viewers, that really definitely helps out with the YouTube channel and boosts things up a bit. Let's go, come on, what do you think? Hello again, dear viewers, and thank you for sticking around to the end of the video. As always, if you haven't already, be sure to smash that like button, subscribe if you're new, and leave a comment. As you can see, we were able to accomplish a fair amount. Unfortunately, not as much as I was hoping for, but that's generally how the car world works, as, well, the sculpting world, apparently. And we will skip over to the very small parts that I was not able to show you on camera. As you can see, they are ridiculously tiny. These are the little fog lights, and these are the future signal lights. Now be sure to tune in this Saturday so you can check out the finished product, as well as see all the installation of these tiny little parts. Anyway, that's enough from me. Till next time, take it easy. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And all that other self-promotion stuff, blah blah blah.